no! What's that sound? Are you hearing noises from your refrigerator? Are they normal? Or should you be concerned? Watch this video to learn about these noises, why your fridge makes them, and which ones you should pay attention to. Refrigerators typically produce operational sounds which can vary from one unit to another. Do you hear a clicking or snapping sound? Like something hitting a solid object? There's nothing to worry about. Some components inside the fridge expand and contract with temperature changes, which in turn makes some snapping sounds, especially after the defrosting process. If you hear sounds like glasses hitting each other, it might just be the bottles stored inside the fridge reacting to the fridge's vibration. Ensure that the shelves are properly installed and the fridge is on a stable surface. Also, make sure the refrigerator is not pressed against a wall, as this can also cause noise to occur between the fridge and the wall. If when opening the freezer drawer produces a clicking or thudding sound, check and make sure that nothing is hitting or obstructing the compartment case by removing the case and visually inspecting the rails and inside the fridge. If the sound persists, it could indicate a damaged compartment case. In this case, it's advisable to contact customer care for assistance. But what's causing that whirling, humming, and rattling noise? It's like there's ice or stones swirling and tumbling inside the fridge, right? Well, there are a few possible reasons for that. One cause could be the automatic release of ice and the supply of water by the ice maker. Additionally, the ice maker motor might produce a humming sound during the ice making process. It is good to remember that the freezer works harder during quick ice making. Thus, you might also hear extra noise from the refrigerator compressor. The rattling sound you're hearing could be the ice dropping into the ice storage box. And the smooth whirling sound is made by the pump motor refilling the ice tray with water. Lastly, for the ice-making related noises, you might hear clicking or humming sounds as the fridge allows water to refill its reservoir. Generally, these sounds are nothing to worry about unless they're exceptionally loud. The operational activities of the fridge can sometimes produce a boiling or gurgling sound, which is completely normal. These sounds are caused by the refrigerant flowing through the refrigerator coils, especially when the refrigerator compressor works to cool the refrigerator. Similarly, a flowing water sound during defrosting is also normal, as water drains from the evaporator to the drain pan. Don't forget to check and adjust the unit's legs to ensure the fridge is balanced. See? These noises are nothing to be worried about. However, if the sounds become increasingly loud and concerning, it's advisable to contact customer care and schedule a service appointment to ensure your Panasonic fridge is in its best condition. We've got you covered. The Panasonic fridge is in its best condition. We got you.